T.J. Painting and Repair in Lima. One call does it all. Since 1988, we've been proudly serving our friends and neighbors throughout Allen County and all of Northwest Ohio. Trust our reliable professionals to show your home the utmost respect and never leave a mess behind. Whether it's interior and exterior painting, drywall, deck restoration, floor coatings, electrostatic painting, or even parking lot striping, our mission is outstanding personalized service, quality materials, and workmanship at competitive prices. Ask about a free estimate when you call today.